Hello, and welcome to today's session, Speak Excellent English. I'm Dr. Priscilla. Our topic for today is Speak English Confidently. We will focus on this short phrase, I can do this. And what I'm going to ask you to do is to listen to the way that I'm sounding out each of the words, making sure that you can hear me clearly and understand. Are you ready? Let's dive in. I want you to repeat after me. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Now, this is the natural speed. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I'm going to give you some real life examples. When you are preparing for a job interview and you're feeling a little nervous and uncertain of yourself, before the job interview, tell yourself verbally, I can do this. While practicing speaking your English, tell yourself, I can do this. And really, if you're about to take a test, tell yourself, I can do this. These are real examples of when and where you can use the phrase, I can do this. You want to say it with confidence. I can do this. Before a job interview, for example, say, I can do this. Before speaking in English, say, I can do this. And before a test, I can do this. For motivation, let's just say, for example, that you're growing. You can do this. I believe in you. You can do this. I want to thank you for practicing with me today. And if you'd like to attend the upcoming free classes, be sure to type May 1 in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed the session for today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English, and I will see you tomorrow at the same time. Bye for now.